All right, hey guys. So today I'm going to be removing the OEM gas cap here for this beautiful anodized Motone, I don't know if I'm saying it right, gas cap. Great milling work here, lathe, excellent job. Looks beautiful. The only thing you're going to need is a common screwdriver there and a little bit of patience, and you'll get this done in no time. So stay tuned.
Hello, it's Center Rider, DMC, intercom, mode.
So first thing first, obviously, remove the gas cap, self-explanatory. I'm gonna try and do this with one hand. I don't know if I can, but right in here, there is a little retaining washer per se. Just gonna kind of, yeah, there you go. One hand, get in there, pull it right up, and out it goes. Now by doing that, you should be able to screw that off. So if you look inside, there's only one way this can turn to get it off. Turn it, pulls right off. Try not to scratch the tank like I probably did, and that is that. All right, so now it's time to put the cap on. Again, self-explanatory, screws right on. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And from the top view, it looks pretty damn sexy. The only thing, if you guys are really OCD, you might not like right in here. See if it'll focus here. You can kind of see the ridges a little bit. It doesn't bother me much because I was more concerned about just having the nice top view. The other one was looking pretty sad. But yeah, there's a couple of little different angles for you guys. Anyways, if you liked the video, you got questions, leave the comments below. See you.